Hello, dear students. Today we are going to complete our lesson about classifying animals, Chapter 1, Lesson 4, pages 56 and 57. This lesson, we classified animals into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Today we are going to talk about the invertebrates. Remind me, what are invertebrates? Yes, they are animals without backbones. There are so many kinds of invertebrates. Some of them can live in water, like sponges, and others live on land, like insects. Some are small, like this bug from the insects group. Few are giants, like this giant squid. Some have soft bodies, like the worms. Some have hard covering, like the lobsters. What is the meaning of hard covering? This thin hard covering, we call it exoskeleton. It covers some invertebrates' bodies and to hold up the animal's body and to protect it. So some kinds of invertebrates, they are covered with thin hard covering. It's called exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. Exo, it means from outside. Exoskeleton. And this is very important to hold up the animal's body and to protect it. So let's repeat again the characteristics of invertebrates. They have no backbones. Some live in water, some on land. Some are small, few are giants. Some have soft bodies, some have outer covering, which called exoskeleton. Let's study about some groups of invertebrates. Sponges, worms, and arthropods. Arthropods. Let's start with the sponges. As you see, the sponges come in different shapes and colors, and they live in water. And as you see, they don't have many parts. There is no head, legs, feet. So this is a very simple animal. They are simple animals. They get food through holes in their bodies. As you see, there are holes in the body. These holes to get the water and food. So they pull water and food into the holes. This is how they get their food. Let's study about another group, the worms. As you see, they come in different shapes. They are different kinds of worms. They have soft bodies and there is no bones or no skeleton inside or outside. And there are million types of worms. So many kinds of worms. Now the other group is the arthropods. Arthropods. Actually, this is a Greek word. Like lobsters, spiders, and insects. They are here, or this group is the biggest group of invertebrates. They have exoskeletons. Again, what was the meaning of exoskeleton? Yes, it means a thin, hard covering that covers some invertebrates. And here, this group, the animals here have legs that bend in many places. Let's see here. First of all, pod, as I said, it's a Greek word, so it means leg. Arth, it means joint or it means bend. So as you see here, the leg is bending in many places. The leg is bending in many places. This is why they called this group with this name. Arthropods, it means the animals that have legs bent in many places, like the lobsters, spiders, and insects. Let's solve the quick check in page 57. Classify. Name one invertebrate that lives in water and one that lives on land. There are many examples in water like lobster, squid, clams, sponges. On land like most insects live on land, spiders and snails. Critical thinking. Is an octopus an invertebrate? How can you tell? What do you think about the octopus? Yes, it is an invertebrate because it does not have a backbone or any other bones. Thank you for your listening.